morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be watching this from. This is Cornelius Luvinda with another video on additional mathematics, vectors. The subtopic is now unit vectors. Then we have these three very good, interesting questions. So the question reads, if vector A is equal to 3i plus j, and then vector B is negative I plus 2j, vector C is 3i, you find vector A and vector B hat. So, A hat, B hat, that's how we represent a unit vector. So when I ask you to find the unit vector, it is always a vector with a hat symbol on top. That's how we represent the unit vectors. Okay. Then there is question 2, then there is question 3. So let us start with question 1. Okay, so we have vector A is equal to 3i plus j. Vector B is equal to negative I plus 2j. And then vector C is equal to 3i. Then they want us to find A hat and B hat. Okay. So let us start with A hat. It would be equal to, first of all, the formula for finding the unit vector is, you can have a vector, okay, R, being equal to AI plus Bj. To find the unit vector of R, it would be R hat is equal to AI plus Bj. So what I've just done is I've copied this once more. Then I'm dividing by the magnitude of the vector, which is A squared plus B squared. Don't square the I and the j, there's no need, because you need to know I squared, j squared is equal to 1. So there's no need to square them. Just get this component, the one having A, you square it, the one having B, you square it. So this is the formula you need to know. Okay, so in this case it will mean A hat, vector A hat is equal to 3i plus j. Alright, okay, let's 3i plus j, sorry. So I want you to see the hat symbol there, 3i plus j. You divide by the magnitude, 3 squared plus 1 squared. This would be equal to 3i plus j. You divide by the magnitude 9 plus 1. So this would therefore be A hat is equal to 3i plus j, we divide by the magnitude square root of 10. Okay, so you can leave it in this form. It's okay to leave the denominator like that, in its irrational form as a square root like that, without writing the decimal places, because it means you have to start dividing. So just leave it like this. This is your final answer without simplifying the square root, since you cannot simplify it. Then B hat is equal to negative I plus 2j. You divide by the square root of negative 1 squared plus 2 squared. This is negative I plus 2j. You divide by the square root of negative 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. This would be equal to, of course, since we have simplified like that, B hat is equal to negative I plus 2j divided by square root of 5. That's your final answer. That's how you write unit vectors. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Cornelius Luvinda with another video, and bye-bye.